Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Jamaica Tourist Board confirmed that more than 160,000 airline seats will be available from the United Kingdom and continental Europe this summer. From the United Kingdom, British Airways, TUI, and Virgin Atlantic will collectively offer 136,000 seats, an increase from roughly 125,000 last year. TUI will provide the largest share of capacity, followed by British Airways and Virgin Atlantic, with flights connecting London, Manchester, Birmingham to Kingston and Montego Bay. Flights will originate from Amsterdam, Frankfurt, Milan, and Lisbon, with Germany expected to be the region's largest European source market. The country's net international reserves, NIR, the difference between the foreign assets and foreign liabilities, climbed again in February of this year when compared with January of this year. The Bank of Jamaica reported the NIR climbed by US $72.4 million to US $6.8 billion in February. This was due to an increase of US $69.7 million in currency and deposits held at the Federal Reserve Bank of New York and a US $16 million decrease in securities, minus a $13.2 million dip in IMF special drawing rights or IMF currency. The country's short-term foreign liabilities to the IMF for money to be repaid in 1 year's time basically held firm at US $13 million. For the trading period of March 10, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 4,151,577 units representing 16.16% of market sales activities. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,119,588 units representing 16.48% of market sales activities. With Cinco Group Limited ordinary shares of 2,617,502 units, representing 10.47% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, media, and beverage distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for March 10, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.56 and buying at $155.78. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.03 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.90 and was bought for $115.93. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities, $1.79 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $209.20 and was bought for $210.99. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For the credit report tip of the day, your credit report tells a story. And used correctly, it can be the quiet power tool for navigating education, health, and retirement all at the same time. Now, this is not a story about judgment, but about the patterns. Your credit report shows how money has flowed through your life, what you borrowed, how you repaid it, and how consistently you've honored your commitments. It reveals where you are financially today and what options may be available to you tomorrow. When parents are supporting higher education while trying to protect their retirement savings, this clarity becomes empowering. Because once you know the truth of your numbers, you can begin making decisions that align with your bigger vision. For our funded and focused feature, one of the challenges that entrepreneurs face is surprisingly not just earning money, but directing the money to grow. At the end of the day, you want to have something to show for your hard work and sacrifice. This is another area that artificial intelligence can support you. As your business grows, AI can help you think strategically. It can analyze sales trends, identify your most profitable products, suggest where to invest more money, and show which marketing strategies are working. And it can also help plan expansion. This is where AI starts to become a business advisor and not just a tool. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.